Hi guys, good morning. What if sabihin ko sa'yo na the moment na napanood mo to is you are already blessed today? Hindi dahil napanood mo ako, but dahil ginising ka pa ni Lord. At ibig sabihin lang nun ay you still have an unfinished business to do in life. Oo, may plano pa si Lord sa'yo. Kaya kung ano mang ginagawa mo sa buhay ngayon, ipagpatuloy mo lang. Just keep going, sabi nga. Tandaan mo na wala ka pa sa buhay na lagi mong sinasabi kay Lord. Remember that God didn't bring you this far to leave you. In time, it will happen. Just always pray and never give up. Di ba nga sabi, kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. If it's meant for you, even you run from it, it will chase you. And if it's not, even you chase it, it will keep running from you. Kaya trust and believe in God. Yun lang. Good day. Peace.